Namaskar, my name is Unnati Gupta and I am from class 6C. So today I am going to show you my science experiment, which is dissect a flower. So today I am going to dissect this hibiscus flower. I have already dissected this hibiscus flower and I have written all the parts of it here. So this hibiscus flower is also called the China rose, and the scientific name of hibiscus is Hibiscus rosa sinensis. I repeat it one more time, that the scientific name of hibiscus is Hibiscus rosa sinensis. So let's start. So if you are doing the dissection now, so please be under the parent supervision because we are using sharp objects here. So first, these are the red dots. These small red dots are called the stigma. Here I have kept in the dissection that they are called stigma. Next, these yellow dots which are here, so they are called anther. Here I have written that they are called anther. Next, this is the vein which is going, and there are the threads in which the anther are standing, that are called filaments. See here, these are the filaments. So next, these are the petals, and this is the stem, and this is the sepal. This leaf part is the sepal, and these two are the inside parts, ovals and oval. When we will cut this long vein which is called style, we will get this thick ovary, and inside this there are small these ovals. So this was my science experiment. Thank you and have a wonderful day.